How to fix MS Gaming overlay pop-up message on Windows. Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the MS Gaming overlay pop-up message error. Make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, click on the search bar and type Registry Editor. When it appears, right-click and select Run as Administrator. Inside the Registry Editor, navigate to the following path. Go to the H key local machine and click on it to expand it. Then scroll down and click on Software to expand it. After that, go for the Microsoft. In it, find and click on the Windows. After that, go for the current version. In the current version, find and click on Game or Game DVR. Now in the folder, right-click on the empty space on the right panel, choose New, and then select word 32-bit value. Name this new value exactly as App Capture Enabled. After creating it, double-click on it, and in the Value Data field, make sure the value is set to 0. Then click OK to save changes. That's all you need to do. This should disable the overlay and prevent the pop-up message from appearing again. Thanks a lot for watching. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. See you in the next one. Take care.